What's going on, Poke Peeps? It's your boy Mike coming at you with another video. Today, I know I said I wasn't going to do it, but I'm going to open up 5 more Battle Styles packs. Let's see how these go. Okay, I know I said it last time, but this is probably for real like the last time. And these freaking things with the plastic, they don't want nobody stealing these, I guess. Okay. Got that pack out. Napoleon artwork. Come on, no green code cards this vid, man. Let's do something nice. Give you guys something nice to watch. There's the code card. Let's see what we got. Water Energy, Heatmore, Single Strike, Scroll of Scorn. Yeah, Scroll of Scorn. That was a mouthful. Tongueful. Bisharp, Onyx, Sparrow, Sizzlipede, Shinx, Cacnea. Man, I can't talk. There's an Esper Reverse, and our rare is a Licky non-holo. Yay. Okay. Okay, I believe that's a Single Strike Urshifu. There's a code card. Alright, Fire Energy, Ugly, Honchkrow, Seadra, Yamper, Murkrow, Salandit, Bellsprout, Mienfoo, Fomantis, Reverse, and our rare is a Colossal. And Colossal, he's pretty cool. I did like him. I think in my original run of Sword, I actually have one on my team. So he's one of those new Pokemon from Sword and Shield that I really liked. Okay, so we got one holo. I'm gonna try and be more upbeat, and even if I get like a regular holo, be happy about that. Because, man, this set really ain't giving me nothing to work with. So I'm just gonna take what I can get. Another Empoleon. There's a code card. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Psychic Energy, Tower of Darkness, Girder, Durant, got a Remoraid, Cubone, one of them old school Pokemon. Love him. I seen like a giant pop of him at Target. I'm debating on going to get it. What do you guys think? Should I cop? Yes or no? Houndour, Shinx, Reverse Bellsprout, and our rare is going to be an Single Strike Emboar. Nice. I'm happy to add another holo. So not getting no ultra rares, but still happy to get some holos from this set, because I ain't pulling nothing, to be totally honest. And Generation 5 is one of my favorite generations, so I love all the starters from there. So really happy to get an Emboar. There we go. Some good ASMR sounds right there, huh? Okay, got a Tyranitar making an appearance. There's a code card for y'all. Let's see what this pack got for us. Okay, Crawdaunt, Doublade, Cacturn, Lickitung, Horsey. I like that artwork of Horsey. That's pretty nice. Mankey, single strike. Mawile, single strike. Fomantis. Gonna have a reverse Honchkrow, and our rare is going to be, oh, nice. Okay, finally an ultra rare. We got an Empoleon V. Very, very happy to have this. There we go. And here we go, last pack. Let's hope for some last pack magic. This opening has gone better than I expected, so no complaints out of me this go around. Maybe, just maybe, I might buy some more battle styles. If I can actually find any, actually. Because, man, it's really tough. And it gets a little bit disheartening driving around everywhere and coming up empty a lot of the times. Okay, let's see what we got in our last pack for today's video. Lightning Energy, Weeping Bell, Experience Share, Purugly, Yamper, Glameow, Corphish, Scatterbug, Cubone, reverse Karina's Focus, and our rare is going to be Jampa. Okay. I am happy to have the 3 hits from today's video. So better luck this time. Maybe I'll pick up some more if I can find some. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe.